Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the topic Ranga's marriage. Especially I am going to explain about the main points. And in yesterday's class, I narrated about the summary of the story. So students, I am going to explain about the main points of the story step by step. So you all are requested to listen it very carefully. Student, first point is concept of the title Ranga's marriage. Student, narrator is telling that I have selected very simple topic, very ordinary topic, which is Ranga's marriage, because this is there is a reference of the marriage of my own Ranga. This is not the marriage of a different person who is very far away from my life. That's why narrator selected this particular topic, Ranga's marriage. The word Ranga is indicating about the very deep relationship of narrator who is Shyama with Rangaj. That's why he selected this particular topic, which is Ranga's marriage. So this is the concept of this title, Ranga marriage. Second point is role of the narrator Shyama. Shyama is the narrator of the entire story, which is describing step by step and telling that Ranga is the son of accountant who went to city for getting the education, and when he came back from the city, then narrator also reached there to judge that there were some changes in the characters of, in the behavior of, in the attitude of Rangaj or not, and narrator found that there was no any changes regarding etiquette or the culture. Ranga got the education, but he couldn't forget his own culture, his own etiquette and attitude. So that's why his narrator Shyama is telling that he became very happy to see the behavior, tendency, temperament, feeling of Ranga as soon as when he met to the Ranga after returning from the city, and he was very happy to see him, and he is describing all the things step by step, because when Ratna entered in the life of Rangaj, then he already created puzzle, illusions before the Rangaj, but Rangaj concept was something different in the comparison of simple people, ordinary people regarding marriage. He is telling all the things very clearly before the narrator. So this was the concept of the second point, role of narrator Shyama. Shyama is the instructor of Rangaj, Shyama is the guide of Ranga, who is motivating Rangaj step by step in this particular story, which is Ranga marriage. Next, third point is role of Ratna. Ratna is proved a suitable girl, an appropriate girl for the marriage point of view to the Ranga. Ratna is preferred by, liked by, loved by Rangaj because she was expert in singing, and she was also expert to play with different musical instrument. Means her virtue, her qualities, her merit was preferred by, liked by, loved by Rangaj, and that's why he decided to marry with Ratna at last. And it was his determination that he will marry to Ratna, because he told about the marriage that there must be a right candidate, right partner, right girl for the marriage point of view. So he selected Ratna for the marriage in his own life. So Ratna is playing a very important role in the life of Rangaj as well as in the entire story. So student, I just described about Ratna and moral of the story. The moral of the story is that a person must use his entire sensibility in his life. Firstly, he should judge about all the things step by step, and thereafter he or she should take the decision in life. The person who is thinking very deeply before doing any work, and thereafter he is doing the work or she is doing the work, the result is coming in the particular person's favor. So here in this story, Ranga is thinking very deeply about his marriage, and he selected a right girl for his marriage, and everything proved very favorable in his life. So this is the concept of this is the moral of the story, that we must think before do any work. Before action, we must analysis about that. Firstly, we should do better work. We should think about the present. We should do the work very nicely in present, and thereafter our future will be automatically very nice, very bright at all. So student, by this way I narrated, I explained these all the points step by step, and in this story especially there is a descriptions of the Ranga's marriage from beginning to last, and how Ranga succeed in the life, and what was his attitude in the beginning, and how his attitude changed regarding life, and how he treated the other peoples very nicely. These all the things have been described by the narrator Syama. Thank you.